How to fix Messenger not sending photos. Hello guys, this is Atticus and welcome to another tutorial video. In today's video, I will teach you how you can fix Messenger not sending photos. So before we begin, if you're new to our channel, head down below and hit the subscribe button so you don't miss out on our future videos. Also press the bell icon so you get notified for when we release a new video. Now let's dive right in. So to fix our Messenger not sending photos, what you'll first need to do is check your Wi-Fi's connection. Make sure that you are connected to a good and stable Wi-Fi, and you can switch between your mobile data to see which one works better. After that, we'll go ahead to our settings, then go to our apps. We'll find our Messenger, then tap on permissions, and from here you will need to check if you have allowed permission for photos and videos. So if you have not, this is what it will look like. It'll be under the not allowed section. So tap on photos and videos, then tap on allow always. Now you have given permission for Messenger. After you've done that, try to send a picture on your Messenger. If it works, that's great. If it still does not work, you'll need to go to your settings again, go to apps again, Messenger, then go to storage and cache after you're on the app info section. Then tap on clear cache and then clear out your storage as well. So after you've cleared out both of these, after you've cleared out the storage, you will need to log back in into your account. But after you do that, your problem will be fixed. So log back in and then try to send your picture again. And that's it for today. Thanks for watching. Stay tuned for more and bye-bye.